my channel. So we are currently in our hotel room getting ready to go to Hershey Park for our second day, not first day. Yesterday we went for a little bit, but it was raining. So today we're gonna go for the full day. It's not supposed to be raining, and we're gonna take you along with us, and we'll see you there shortly. It's a wooden roller coaster. Here you can see some of the other rides. We're very excited. So we got the monkey bread. Derek got the brisket. Super duper looper now. This is, I think, our 6th or 7th roller coaster of the day. It's super busy here today, so if you plan on coming in the summer of 2021, plan for it to be extremely busy. But let's see if I can get some more video footage of roller coasters, and then we'll catch up with you. Okay, this is what we're gonna wait for next, the Great Bear. On the last ride of tonight. What ride is this? Great Bear. So it's one where you're like dangling from it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you after the ride. So we just got off the Great Bear, and I think it was definitely probably our favorite ride. It was so much fun. It didn't hurt your head at all. It was super smooth. It did a couple of twists, went upside down a couple times, but I definitely think it was our best ride of the day. Now we're gonna go ride some kiddie rides and call it a day. So we'll catch up with you soon once we go on some more rides. So the last ride of the night we're gonna go on is finally the Topher World. So the last roller coaster we went on was the Great Bear, and now we're finally going to go on my favorite ride out of any theme parks, the Topher World. We're walking out of the park. It's complete mayhem. It is so incredibly packed here. But we had a great day. Megan got peach tea. I have a regular lemonade, candy apple. We have some cotton candy and fudge. We are on our way. I just almost got hit with the ball, but it's been a good day so far. If you like to cook, they have this super cute kisses collection. There's a pie pan, this little mug with a little spout. They have a big one. They have a wooden spoon that's super cute. This bigger mug says bake it with kisses, so that's like a mixing one. They have a little baking sheet with kisses on it, and then this is adorable over here as well. They have this little whisk, and it has a little kiss in the center, if you can see that. It comes with this little chocolate cookie cutter, which is so cute. And then they even have a sweetery confection. It's a little apron, which is adorable as well. And then a super cute Hershey Kiss pot holder, which is adorable. So they have gourmet sweets. We're now in the other gift shop. So it's called the Sweetery Confectionery Kitchen. And they have fudge and pretzels and all kinds of amazing gourmet sweets. This looks so good. Laugh Track swirl cake. And then they have dome cakes that look amazing. They look like they're all like featured rides and different things from the park. This is a cookies and cream ladybug. Okay, so we're officially leaving the park. We're walking out now. It has been a crazy, hectic, busy day, but we had a ton of fun. It's about 7:30 and we are leaving, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. I think we're gonna go grab some food because we didn't get to eat a ton today in the park, but yeah, we'll get back to you shortly. We had a great day, super hot, super busy here, but a lot of fun. Okay guys, since we had so much fun at Hershey, we were so exhausted when we got back to our hotel room, I never finished filming another outro to this video, but if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram.